Hello everybody, welcome to our channel Multiplex. It's a long time being here, and now in front of us is Lenovo K8 Note. This was booked from Amazon in the Great India Sale. The MRP is 14,999, but luckily I got this for a price of just 11,700, and this was shipped from Tamil Nadu. I actually ordered this on 24th, and I received this product by 28th, just 4 days without Prime. So that is a very good aspect for Amazon, and this is one of the most important points why Amazon is becoming popular day by day in Indian e-commerce industry. Here is our Lenovo K8 Note. It's having many features like a full HD screen, a dual camera at the rear, and a front camera with a party flash. Of course, it is holding a deca-core processor and Lenovo's predecessor technology, that is Dolby Atmos audio. Coming to SAR value is 1.157 W watts per kg, and according to the government norms it should be 1.6 watts per kg, and Lenovo is maintaining the necessary standards. Let us check out the product now. Mine is a 4GB 64 gig version, and there is another lower version of this same phone, that is 3GB and 32 gig. Now breaking up the seal. This phone features two color variants. One is Venom Black and the one is Fine Gold. This one is a Fine Gold model. Yeah. Here is the product. Very cool, very glossy. You can see the features which we already discussed. This also holds a fingerprint reader, and another good aspect is it is having a 4000 mAh battery with a 15 watt rapid charging. Let us come back to the phone after some time. Let us see what is present inside this box. The carton, and yeah. There is a SIM ejecting tool here. Lenovo limited warranty leaflet, and a quick start guide. In the box are the Lenovo adapter. It is a 15 watt adapter with output being 5 volts 3 amperes, or 9 volts 1.6 amperes, and 12 volts 1.2 amperes. This is pretty cool and a very good feature of this product. And this is your regular micro USB cable. The build is also fine. So, coming to the phone, you can see a dual camera at the rear. The first one is the 5 megapixel camera used for depth focus, and the second camera is the main camera. This is used for regular photo shoots and videography, and this camera is helpful for focusing the depth of field, and you can easily distinguish this by seeing the aperture size of the cameras. Your main camera will be having a larger aperture size compared to the depth camera. and there is a dual LED flash and a fingerprint sensor here. There's nothing at the back, and yeah, of course you're having a secondary noise cancellation mic here. At the top you're having a 3.5 mm audio jack, and on the right side you're having a power button and volume controls, and on the left hand side you're having a music play pause button. This is a very good feature, and this will be very helpful for music lovers. Nowadays we could not see such type of buttons, dedicated buttons, in any of the mobiles. Earlier Nokia used to provide such buttons in the model of Express Music. At the bottom you have your micro USB data cable port and the charging port, and you're having two slots here. Generally people will confuse that these two are speakers, but one is a speaker and another one is microphone, your primary microphone. And this consists of this can hold two nano SIMs, and the memory can be expandable up to 128 GB. So let us power up this. Let's see. Generally Lenovo phones come with many pre-installed company apps, but if you see this phone, the pre-installed apps from the company are very less, so that means bootware is less. And this phone features stock Android Nougat. Earlier Lenovo phones used to have Vibe UI, and the interface will be like this. This is the Vibe UI interface, but this time Lenovo started its stock Android version with slight modifications to the Google Android UI, and it was already announced that this mobile is going to get the Android Oreo update. Let us go to the about phone. And the Android version. That's all, gigs. That's all for now, and I want to show you the two available variants for this K8 Note. This is fine gold with white top and Venom black on both sides. That's all. Let us meet in the next video. Stay tuned. Do subscribe to our channel, Multiplex All-in-One. Thank you.